Hey there, Ghana. Let's talk about online shopping. Specifically, let's talk about AliExpress. This global giant has taken the world by storm. It's like a massive online market, but instead of dusty stalls, you have millions of sellers. And the best part? They offer crazy low prices. AliExpress is like the cool kid in school. Everyone wants to be friends with them. Why? Because they have everything you can imagine. Seriously. From clothes to gadgets, home decor to car parts, you name it, they have it. AliExpress boasts over 100 million products. That's more than all the stars in the Milky Way. And guess what? They ship to over 200 countries, including our beloved Ghana. So, ready to dive into this online shopping haven? First things first, you need an account. Don't worry, it's as easy as making instant noodles. Head over to the AliExpress website or download their app. Look for the register button. It's usually at the top of the page waving at you. You can sign up using your email address or even connect with your Facebook or Google account. Just follow the on-screen instructions. They're super simple, even your tech-challenged cousin could handle it. Once you've filled in your details, voila, you're officially part of the AliExpress family. You can start browsing and filling your virtual cart with all the goodies you desire. Okay, so you're in. Now the fun part begins. Shopping. AliExpress can be a bit overwhelming at first. It's like a massive maze of products. But don't worry, we're here to guide you. You can browse by categories like electronics, fashion, or home. Or, if you have something specific in mind, just type it into the search bar. When you find a product you like, click on it to see more details. Check the seller's rating, read reviews from other buyers, and compare prices from different sellers. This will help you make sure you're getting the best deal. Section 4. Paying the Piper AliExpress payment options for Ghana. Found something you love and ready to check out? Great! AliExpress offers a bunch of payment options for us Ghanaians. You can use your Visa or MasterCard. Many Ghanaians prefer using mobile money, and guess what? AliExpress accepts that too. You can link your MTN mobile money or Vodafone Cash account to your AliExpress account. Just choose your preferred payment method at checkout and follow the instructions. It's as easy as sending money to your friend. Section 5. Bringing it home, shipping options and costs. Now, let's talk about getting your goodies from China to Ghana. AliExpress offers various shipping options, each with different costs and delivery times. You can choose the one that suits your budget and patience level. For those on a budget, there's AliExpress Standard Shipping. It's the most affordable option, but it can take a while for your package to arrive, usually around 3 to 4 weeks. If you want it faster, you can opt for AliExpress Premium Shipping or DHL. These options are pricier but offer faster delivery times, usually within 1 to 2 weeks. Remember, shipping costs vary depending on the product's size, weight, and the chosen shipping method. Always check the estimated delivery time and shipping cost before you hit that buy button. Section 6. Shop safe, shop smart. Tips for a smooth AliExpress experience. AliExpress is a treasure trove of awesome deals, but like any online marketplace, there are a few things to keep in mind. You want to make sure you're getting your money's worth and avoid any shady situations. First, always check the seller's rating and reviews. Look for sellers with high ratings and positive feedback from other buyers. Think of it like choosing a taxi driver. You'd want one with a good track record, right? Second, pay attention to product descriptions and images. If something seems too good to be true, it probably is. And if the product description is vague or the images are blurry, it's better to be safe than sorry and move on to another seller. Finally, if you encounter any issues with your order, don't hesitate to contact AliExpress customer support. They have a dedicated team ready to assist you. So, there you have it. Your crash course on conquering the AliExpress universe. Now go forth, shop smart, and enjoy the world of affordable online shopping.